So, good day everyone. So, this video presentation is just a continuation of the discussion of Pastor Dulawan last time, which has been uploaded in the YouTube. So, discussing the topic on how to plot the coordinates on the map. So, at this time, I'm going to discuss on how to adjust the closed traverse survey with a linear error of closure, or having a closing error using graphical method, and how to compute its area by using area triangulation. So given the course, the bearing, and the distance, so given ang data, we're going to plot these following bearings. So, as every one of you already know, there's no such thing as mathematically perfect survey. Small errors in both distances and angles will always be present, even in closed traverse survey, observed using instruments and methods with high precision. In all probability, a surveyed closed traverse would not satisfy the geometric requirements of a closed polygon until adjustments are made to these observed quantities. It will always be expected that the traverse will not mathematically close. So when a closed traverse plotted on a paper, the survey must close the starting point up to the end point. So if the survey is plotted on the paper, you'll notice that the starting point and the end point do not close. So that is called the linear error of closure, or the closing error. So it is defined as the ratio of the distance by which a survey fails to close to the perimeter of the track survey. So that's the time we are going to use several methods in adjusting the traverse so it will close. It can be in adjusting a closed traverse survey having a closing error, so we can use different methods such as mathematically or graphically, but at this time, so based on the title, we are going to use the graphical method. So given the bearing, first is on the course AB or station AB or line AB, the given bearing is the north 40 degree east and the distance is 500 meters. So we're tasked to use the map scale 1:10,000. 1:10,000. So for the line BC, south 80 degree east, and the distance is 450 meters. Next is the line CD or the course CD, south 40 degree east with a distance of 470 meters. And for the line DE, south 80 degree west and the distance of 590 meters. And for the last course is the E to A, north 60 degree west with a distance of 400 meters. So we're going to plot those bearing on the paper. We're going to try to plot. First, line AB, northeast. So try lang na to, no? Diri na to. It will be our starting point here. Here. It depends upon on you na kung asa mo mag-start. So ako mas prefer na ko dire ko mag-start. So for the course AB, the bearing is north 40 degree east 500 meters. So by the way, since the given distance is in ground distance, so first is we're going to change the given distance into map distance. So how are you going to do that? So by giving a formula map scale, map scale is equal to map distance over ground distance. So we're going to find the formula on how to get the map distance. So therefore, map distance is equal to ground distance times the map scale. So therefore, for the first course, we are given a distance of 500 meters. We are going to convert the 500 meters into map distance. So given a map scale of 1:10,000. So our ground distance is here 500 meters times or multiplied to our map scale, which is 1:10,000. So it is equal to 0.05 meters. So mauna ba ni? So dili pa no, because it is in meters now. We're going to convert these meters into centimeters. 0.05 meters into centimeter. So conversion, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So therefore, the 500 meter distance converted into map distance with a scale of 1:10,000, it is equal to 5 centimeter. So our map distance is 5 centimeter for the first course. So going back, this will be our starting point. So first is north 40 degree east. So north 40 degree east. We're going to plot the first course. So northeast, we're referring to the north 40 degree east. So here is the north 40 degree east. And then, since the distance is 5 meters, we're going to measure from here up to 5 meters. 5 centimeter rather, 5 centimeter. So here it is 5 centimeter. This is line. Our starting point is A and this is B. Next is for the line B to C, south 80 degree east. So we're going to convert 450 meters into map distance. So it is equal to GD. Tapos map distance, it is equal to 4.5 centimeter. So 4.5 centimeter southeast. So south to east. South 80 degrees. South 80 degrees. The distance is 4.5 centimeter. 4.5 centimeter. Is line B to C. So we're already done for line AB, base C. Next is from C to D. C to D, southeast south 40 degree east, southeast. Distance 4.7 meters. 4.7. Centimeter. D. Next is DE. Southwest 80 degrees. South 80 degree west. Southwest. Southwest 80 degrees. Distance 5.9 centimeter. 5.9. So 5.9. And the last one is the course E to A north 60 degree west, northwest. So northwest 60. Distance 4 meters. So we are directly convert 400 meters into map distance, which is equal to 4 centimeter. D is line. E. So this we call the A prime. So what you'd notice, wala siya close, no? So mo ni ang atong i-adjust later on. Kani nga line diri. That red line specifies the linear error of closure or the closing error. So what siya na close, no? So we call that as the LEC or the linear error of closure. So already done plotting. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to adjust the traverse para ma-close na to nino kaning error, kaning the red line, ma-connect ang E kang A, ma-connect ni siya nga line kang A. So how are we going to do that? Saan man nato? So we're going to use the error adjustment line. We're going to use the error adjustment line. So first you need to do is you add all the map distance. Add all the map distance. So map distance for the first course is 5 centimeter plus 4.5 centimeter plus 4.7 centimeter plus 5.9 centimeter and plus 4 cm is equal to it is equal to 24.1 centimeter. So it is the total length of all the lines. First is 5 centimeter. So 5 cm. So we add all the length of the line, so we obtain 24.1 centimeter. So to make the error adjustment line, first is you make a line measuring a length of 24.1 centimeter equal to the total length of the line or the course. So 24.1. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to measure the length of the linear error of closure. So we're going to measure the length of the linear error of closure. So it measures 1.4 centimeter. So we're going to put that parallel to that length of the parallel to the total length of the line. So 1.4, we're going to put here 1.4. Next is we're going to connect from this point up to the end. And the next thing to do is we're going to subdivide the line into an every course distance. First is 5 centimeter. This A. This is A prime. So from A to B is 5 meters. 5 centimeter rather, 5 centimeter. So this is B. Next is from B to C, 4.5 meters, 4.5. Here. This is C. Next is C to D. C to D is 4.7 meters. 4.7. This is D. Next is 5.9. 5.9 centimeter. So the remaining would be exactly 4 centimeter is E. 4 centimeter. So it is correct, it is 4 centimeter. So after you do the error adjustment line, you are going to measure or get the bearing of the error. Bearing, you get the bearing of the error. Or the error bearing. So the error is the bearing of the error. So put your protractor here. We're going to get the bearing of the closing error. So it is on southwest, southwest 76. So southwest 76. So the error bearing is south 76 west. So we're going to use the error bearing to adjust the line to correct the closing error. So after we get the error bearing, so we are going to measure first this. First is for the line AB, .3 centimeter. 0.3 centimeter, 0.3 cm. Next is .5 cm. Next is 0.8 cm. And the last one is 1.1 centimeter. So after we measure, so at this time we're going to adjust the line. We're going to adjust. So we're going to adjust all these courses to correct or to connect the line E to this line A. So how are we going to do that? So the error bearing is south 76 west, so it means we're going to adjust with a bearing of south 76 degree west using this distance. So from line A to B, so we're going to start here. We're going to locate where is south 76 degree west. So southwest 76. Southwest 76 is here. 70, 75, 76 here. Oh, here. And then the distance is 0.3 centimeters. So it means from this point, we're going to move this point south 76 degree west with a distance of 0.3 centimeters. So i-move na to siya, no? So mao ni ang atong south 76 degree west. So measuring 0.3 centimeter. 0.3. So ito lang i-locate diri. Tapos move siya og 0.3 centimeter. 0.3. So diri lang. So this will be our new point. So to connect from A to B, we're going to use a broken line. We're going to use a broken line now to connect. Next is same procedure, no? Same. We are going to locate the error bearing south 76 degree west for the C, south 76 degree west. South 76. So here. And the distance is 0. South 76 here. So the distance is 0.5 centimeters. 0.5. Where is 0.5? 0.5. So the 0.5 is here. So our new point is here. So connect. Next is same lang yapon. I-locate na to ang south 76 degree west. South 76 west. 70, 75, 76 here. So, distance 0.8 centimeter. So, we're going to move this point to this point 0.8. is here. So the new point is here. 0.8. So connect. Next is for the line E. south 76 degree west. 76 here. Then we're going to move 1.1 centimeter. 1.1. Where is 1.1 centimeter? Here. 1.1 centimeter. So 1.1. So this is the new point. Same procedure, connect. So that is our new polygon. This kaning nakadat, no? Kaninang nakadat. So mas maklaro tingalin ako kani. So I already done adjusting our traverse. So the next thing is we are going to compute the total area here, area computation. So how are we going to compute the area? We're going to use the area triangulation method. So area triangulation method formula is area of a triangle is equal to 1/2 times base times height. So this is the formula for the area triangulation. 1/2 times base times height. Base times the height. So we're going to divide our polygon into several triangles. So it depends upon on you, no, kung pila kabok inyong himon nga triangle. So ako ning himon siya og tulo. This point from B to E. So himon siya triangle kani. So these are first triangle, or we'll mark it as 1. Next is here up to here. C to E. So, depende ra sa inyo no, kung saan nyo pag-subdivide. So, basta mga triangle. So, it's triangle number 2 and number 3. So, by formula, area of a triangle is 1/2 times base times height. So, first is, we're going to get its base and height based on our triangle. So, on the first triangle, so, kani akong himuon diri og base, kani akong i-measure siya. Measure na ko no. This will be our base for the first triangle. So, it measures 6.2 centimeter. 6.2 centimeter. Area triangle 1. So, 1/2 our base. So, man ang atong base. Si base. And then for the height, so from vertex up to the base, so pwede ka diri sa center. So, i-measure na to nino, mo ni siya ang height. So, i-measure na to. So, the base is 's for the area of triangle 1. Base is 6.1 centimeter. Next is for the height. .7. Height is 3.7. Since we're going to compute the area computation, so this distances or this length is in map distance. So first is, before we're going to use this formula, we're going first to convert this base, which is 6.1 centimeter, and height, which is 3.7 centimeter, into ground distance. So back to the formula. Base is equal to 6.1 centimeter, and for the height is 3.7 centimeter. Our map scale is equal to 1:10,000. So for the base, ang base is in map distance, ang height naka map distance po. So we're going to convert it into ground distance. So first is ground distance is equal to map distance over map scale. So our map distance is 6.1 centimeter over map scale 1:10,000. So it is equal to 6.1 centimeter times 10,000 over 1. So 6.1 times 10,000 is 0.0001 0.0006 1 2 3 4 1 6 1. So So it is 61,000 centimeter. So humana ba ta? 61,000 centimeter. So wala pa. I-convert man din na to into meters. 61,000 centimeter. Convert it into meters. So 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. So 61,000 divided by 100. 61,000 divided by 100. 6,600. 1,0,0. 100, 0, 0. 610 meters. So our base is 610 meters. B is equal to 610 meters. So 1/2 times our base is times 610 meters times. So we automatically 3.7 centimeters. So it becomes 370 meters. So ingantoon lagya po no. I-convert na to into ground distance, and then ang ground distance naka centimeter man, i-convert na to into meters. So pareha na sila. Meters. So 1/2 times 610 times 370. 610 times 370. 1, 2, 3. 0, 7, 42, 0, 3, 18. 0, 0, 7, 5, 12, 225,700. 225,700 unit meter squared. So try to check. 610 times 370. 610 times 370. 225,700 meters squared. Times 1/2. 112,850. So 112,850 square meter. This for the area of triangle 1. 112,850 square meter or meter squared. So next is for the triangle 2. So kami atong himuon nga base. Pwede kani na ito i-base. Kani diri. Kani mo himuon na ito nga base kani grid lines. Kani mo himuon na ito. We're going to measure this. So 4.2 centimeter, the area of triangle 2. Our base is 4.2 centimeter and our height this will be our height h. This will be our base. So height measures 5.5 centimeter, height 5.5 cm. So since it is in map distance, we're going to convert it into ground distance. So same lang atong gayna, convert na to siya, which is 4.2 centimeter is equal to 420 meters using a map scale of 1:10,000. Katong ipakita na ko og unsa. So ato na siyang i-direct now. 4.2 cm is equal to 420 meters in ground distance with a map scale of 1:10,000. So this 5.5 would be 550 meters. So 550 meters times 420 meters, 550 multiplied to 420 is equal to 231,000. 1/2 times 231,000 m squared meter squared. So it will become 115,500 meters squared or square meter. Same ra, square meter or meter squared. So, depende rin sa inyong gamiton ng unit. So, the last one is for the triangle tree. So, triangle tree, kanina nga itong himog base. Sorry class, there's a small error here. Sorry. Na-connect siya sa daan nga. Probably dire siya sa new na itong point. Dire ra kani. Sorry. Kanira. Kani, adulong dire. Sorry class. So, we'll make some sort of adjustment. Small adjustment lang naman. So, next is here, we'll make it as a base. So, 4.8, this will be our base. 4.8. So area of triangle tree, base is 4.8 cm. Our height for this is exactly 5 centimeter, 5 cm. So, convert it into ground distance using the map scale 1:10,000, then convert into meter since naka-centimeter pa siya. So, 5 meters is equal to 500 meters. So, the 4.8 is 480 meters. So, 500 times 480 240,000. 240,000 meters squared. So 120,000 times squared. So after you get the area of the three triangles, so depende sa inyo no, pwede siya mahimong upat, depende on sa ninyo pag subdivide. So sa ako gitulo lang nako. So first is 112 kani 112,850 square meter. So i-add na to siya, i-add na to ang tulo para makuha na to ang total area of this polygon. So 112,850 plus 115,550 plus 120,000. So this equal to 348. Total area is, the area is 348,350 square meter. So the total area of this polygon is 348,350 square meters. So kung pila na siya ka hectares be? $348,350 square meter is 10,000 square meter, 1 hectare. 300 divided by 10,000. So 34.835 hectares. So kung may tao na to kung in hectares no. So I think that would be all. So nasabtan ba kung may mga kalibog pwede ra siya mga tana sa ako through GC or nag-chat lang i-PM na ko, mo PM sa ako kung may mga kalibugan. I think that would be all. Thank you.